So, not much has changed this month, but I've been able to maintain consistency. I think that's really important. Now, when it comes to working towards becoming debt free, it's a marathon, not a sprint. It feels like a really long time. So sometimes it can feel hard. It can be depressing. It can be so many negative emotions, draining, and so on. But we need to work on this and we need to stay focused. So my amount that's left on my credit has barely gone down. The amount gone on my loan has barely gone down. However, um, in terms of my earning, my YouTube channels are doing really well at the moment. My Twitch is way down from last month, but whatever, it happens. And I'm earning more affiliate payments. So I'm okay financially to a point where I should be able to put maybe 1 or 200 into my credit to try and reduce the principal on it. This one here. So, and I'm going to focus on the credit first because the interest rate is a lot higher than the loan. So I'm going to try and destroy this one first, and then we will see what happens. And if we have the extra £70 a month, and then we'll put all of that towards the loan payments. Now, as I said, guys, this is a marathon, not a sprint. So it will take a really long time to do this, but just stay with it, stay consistent. Please have hope that things will go well. And also, as well, remember that we are still thinking about the future. We have our eye on the prize, the end goal being financially independent, being debt free, and so on. And eliminating debt is the very first step if you have debt. So let me know in those comments down below. Are you frustrated by this process? Does it feel draining, or do you enjoy it? Like, are you happy that you're working through this process? Like, I'm curious what your opinions are. Also, as well for me, like I'm trying my best to just stay focused, and I've had other things on my mind which have been kind of getting in the way. But one thing that I do all the time, and this is something that applies to my normal life, not just finance, is if I am feeling bad, I'm feeling negative, I'm feeling whatever, then I don't make any decisions about anything. I keep everything exactly the way it is. I don't make any life decisions. I make, nothing. I just sleep. And the reason I do that is because I don't want to make decisions that could affect my, personal finance or my life in any way from a negative place. Because from experience, that will just lead to, bad choices. Simple as that. So, like, let me know. Let me know your feelings. Like, how do you feel? Like, it's been a month, but remember as well, obviously, that at the time of recording this video, the world is still in a dire place, dire situation. Like, they just announced yesterday for the United Kingdom that we are going to get another month-long lockdown. So, yeah, simple as that. So, things are moving along slowly, but like I said, if you keep your eye on the prize, that's the most important thing. Like, this whole phrase of life is short. It's no. Like, life is long. And life will be even longer if you have these issues on your mind all the time, pending. So think of it that way. Think of it like if you do nothing about debt, then it will stay with you for the next 20 years. But if you actually do something, maybe it'll stay with you for a couple of years and then you can get rid of it. So, yeah, now, what I'm planning for the future is maybe for this month, because I know that I haven't been uploading many videos to this channel, is to talk about who is the financial ombudsman and what they can do for you. And when I make the videos, I will also explain why I'm making them. And that applies to the UK only, but there is an equivalent for the US. So when I make that video, I'll be sure to talk about it. So keep your hope up, guys. Keep it going. Like I said, I know this process is long. I'm sorry for the lack of videos this month because I've had other things to do. Simple as that. And I've become obsessed playing a game called Genshin Impact on my gaming channel. But like I said, hopefully things will improve with time, and we will get there. So, and I am looking forward to the day when I can say to you all, I am debt free. That will be its own video. I hope it comes sooner rather than later.